today we are going to be we're going to be eating some stuff. So first we're going to be doing the Mallobiscs, and then we're going to be doing Lil Dippers. And right here we have my dad, who is going to taste them first. So my dad is going to taste the Mallobisc first.
Are you recording?
Yes.
This family hasn't
Just
fed
eat
me.
it.
This family hasn't fed me for 3 weeks.
Are
This
you
is the first thing they've given me. And I'm going to rank this from a scale of 1 to 10. And we're going to see how good it is after not eating anything for 3 weeks. As you can see, I'm dying.
Oh my god.
So delicious.
That was gross.
It's a 10.
Alex, have any comments?
Can you please keep your mouth closed while you do that?
Next up, we have these Lil Dippers.
Dad, you don't oh, please.
So this family hasn't fed me for 3 weeks.
Dad!
And they've only given me 1 item to eat. And by the way, that was a 10. So, this is the second item.
Oh my god!
I'm done. I'm done.
And we will tell you how it tastes. Good taste. The chocolate is not as spreadable as Nutella.
You're gonna see. Oh my god!
Oh!
You turned a kid snack into
Oh my
like.
gosh, Dad, you're going crazy.
Oh no! Just let you know he had
Gross!
Just let you know he had breakfast
It's
this
good.
morning.
I give it a 10.
Any comments?
No, just no.
I don't embarrass you, do I?
So first off, we will be doing the Mallobisc, or however you pronounce that.
Mallobisc. Okay. So you just saw my dad do it, and it looks disgusting. Now I'm a little scared to do it.
Rated it a 10.